Hello students, we are going to study matrices. As far as we are concerned about the syllabus of matrices, that is, you know the meaning of matrices, rectangular arrangement of real numbers. Then in your syllabus, order of matrix, row matrix, column matrix, null matrix and unit matrix. Then after addition and subtraction of matrix, compatibility of matrix and multiplication of two matrices or multiplication of any matrix with any real number. But this should be of order 2 cross 2. And we will study the entire syllabus with the help of questions, in which we will explain everything with the marking scheme. Okay, now take this question number first. You can see in this question, this way we are writing the matrices in rectangular arrangement of the numbers, A matrix, and generally we say we are using capital letter for any matrix. A is equal to 2 minus 1 2 0, B is equal to minus 3 2 4 0 and C is equal to 1 0 and 0 2. Find the matrix X. This is also matrix represented in capital letter and the elements of matrix represented in small letter, such that A plus X is equal to 2B plus C. This condition is given. Then we will write here, since we have to find out the matrix X, we transpose A on other one and 2B plus C minus A, then writing the value of the matrices, that is that will be substituted according to the given expression. Then 2, here this is the constant and this is what we call scalar multiplication of any number with the matrix. This is one concept, and once we multiply by any scalar number to matrix, each element should be multiplied with the same number. That is 2 multiplied by minus 3, 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 4 and 2 multiplied by 0. This is the value of 2 multiplied by this matrix. This is scalar multiplication. Okay. Now plus C, the value of C minus A. Now after multiplying, these two will be added and this will be subtracted. And whenever we are adding or subtracting any two matrices, first thing we should see that the order of matrix should be same. Here order we mean about order, that is number of rows and number of columns. Order of matrix here 2 cross 2. Number of rows is 2 and number of column 2. Here again 2 cross 2. Here again 2 cross 2. That we are able to add or subtract any two matrix only when the order is same. In this you can see this order, this order, this order, all these same, and that is of 2 cross 2, and that is why we can add. Whenever we are adding any two matrix, the corresponding elements will be added. Minus 6 corresponds to 1 corresponds to 2, that is minus 6 plus 1 minus 2, this sign will be used. In the same way, next 4 plus 0 minus minus 1. In the same way, the next row, that is 8 plus 0 minus 2 and 0 plus 2 minus 0. And then you can add, you are getting minus 7, 5 and 6, 2. In case of marking scheme, this question was of 3 marks and first method mark was given once you have written correctly the substituted value in the given expression. That is, you know the method how to transpose this on other side and then substituting the value. And the second method marks was given once you are able to add these two matrices and scalar multiplication likewise. Okay, means you know the addition, subtraction and scalar multiplication. Then if this is correct, second method mark was given, and the third one on the final answer, that each elements are same as in the answer. This is all about your marking scheme also. Now next question. as I told you earlier, that with the help of question we will explain the entire concept of this chapter also. Taking this question, you can see A is given, B is given, C is given and D is given. And then find this value, AB plus 2C minus 4D. Then this is AB. And in your course, the multiplication of 2 cross 2 matrix, this is of order 2 cross 2, A. Then multiplication of A to B, this is of order 2 rows and 2 column, and this is 2 rows and 1 column. Okay. Now in case of multiplication of matrix, we are able to multiply two matrices if number of column in first matrix is same as number of rows in second matrix. If this happens, then only you can multiply. Okay, see the order, right order, first then 2 cross 2, this is 2 rows and 1 column. You can see this column 2 and this row 2 is equal, then we can multiply. And after multiplication, the order will be 2 cross 1. This is, you can see, 2 cross 1. Now how can you multiply? Taking first row, first column, corresponding elements multiplied and added. Corresponding elements multiplied and added. 3 multiplied by 6 minus 2 multiplied by 1. Then second row, first column, corresponding elements multiplied and added. Minus 1 multiplied by 6 plus 4 multiplied by 1. Then this way after adding we are getting 16 and minus 2. And this is correct because this is of order 2 cross 1. This way we are multiplying two matrices. Okay, we will multiply for the other matrices also. And then here AB plus 2C means scalar multiplication of this number to this. As I told you in the last question, once you multiply by scalar number, each elements will be multiplied, that is 2 minus 8 and this is 10. And in the same way 4 2 ja 8, 4 2 ja 8. Then how can you add? Before adding or subtracting, we should see whether all the matrices are of same order or not. Here you can see this is of order 2 cross 1, 2 cross 1 and this is of order 2 cross 1. Order is same, then only we can add or subtract. After adding 16 minus 8 minus 2 plus 10 minus 8 and this is coming 0 0. If all the elements of any matrix is 0, then we call this as zero matrix or null matrix. Okay, and this is the example of null matrix or zero matrix. This is the answer. And in case of marking scheme, first method mark will be given after multiplication on this product of A and B. Second method mark will be given if we are able to write these steps, that is scalar multiplication and reaching up to this. And third answer mark will be given on the correct answer. This 0 0 can be rewritten as big 0 also. Okay, now this is all about this question. Now next question. With the help of these questions, we are studying all possible types of questions that can be asked in board examination and which cover the entire syllabus of ICSE class 10 also. Now taking next type of question, if the matrix A is 3 1 minus 1 2, find the value of A square minus 5A plus 7I, where I is the unit matrix. I just told you what is the meaning of zero matrix and null matrix. In case of I, that is, if the matrix is of like this, that is diagonal is unit, that is 1 1, and both the sides of this diagonal, the elements will be 0, and the order is 2 rows and 2 column. This is the unit matrix of order 2. Okay, and in your course only of order 2, and that is why this is enough for you. And now next, A square, multiply this to this. Before multiplication, we should see whether the order is same or not. This is equal matrix and then the order is same. After multiplication, first row, first column corresponding elements multiplied and added. First row, first column corresponding elements multiplied and added. First row, second column corresponding elements multiplied and added. In the same way, second row, first column corresponding elements multiplied and added. And second row, second column corresponding elements multiplied and added. Then after solving, we are getting 8, 5 and minus 5, 3. Okay, we should be careful about sign also. Now next, find the value of a square minus 5a plus 7i. I is the unit matrix of order 2. Generally, we are taking the unit matrix. Suppose you are not given unit matrix of order 2. You are given that I is the unit matrix. Then what will you do? Generally, we are taking the unit matrix of the same order in which the other matrix are. Okay, these two matrices are of order 2 cross 2, this is of order 2 cross 2, and that is why we will take unit matrix of order 2 only. Okay, a square substituting this value minus 5a plus 7i. Here scalar multiplication in this, all these elements will be multiplied. 5 3 is 15, 5 1 is 5, minus 5 and 10. In the same way, scalar multiplication 7 0 0 7. Then adding. How can we add or subtract? We should see whether order is same or not. Here you can see this is of order 2 cross 2, 2 cross 2 and 2 cross 2. And that is why we can add or subtract corresponding elements added or subtracted. 8 minus 15 plus 7. In the same way, 5 minus 5 plus 0 and minus 5 plus 5 plus 0 and 3 minus 10 plus 7. And you can see all the elements are coming 0, and that is, this is the null matrix also. And so our equation is changed into a square minus 5a plus 7i is equal to 0. In case of marking scheme, first method, if you know the multiplication of a square, okay, then first method mark. If you know the multiplication, this is scalar multiplication, and writing this way so that you can add or subtract, okay, then second method mark. In this method mark, scalar multiplication also clubbed here. Okay, now after adding, if you are getting correct answer, then answer mark. This way 3 marks. Now next question. Given a is equal to 2 0 minus 1 7 and I unit matrix of order 2 and a square is equal to 9a plus mi. Find the value of m. Okay, this is another type of question. First of all, we are given a, then we will find a square after multiplication this. Again we will multiply in the same way. First row, first column corresponding elements multiplied and added. 2 multiplied by 2 plus this. In the same way, first row, second column corresponding elements multiplied and added. Second row, first column. Then here minus 1 multiplied by 2 plus 7 multiplied by minus 1. In the same way, minus 1 multiplied by 0, 7 multiplied by 7. If this multiplication is correct, then first method mark means you know the multiplication of two matrices. Okay. Now next, given a square is equal to 9a plus mi. Find the value of m. Substituting this value, a square is equal to 9a into mi. I is the unit matrix. Substituting in the given expression, then this is scalar multiplication of a matrix with this scalar quantity or any real number. 9 2 ja 18, 9 0 ja, 9 minus 1 ja, 9 7 ja. Each elements will be multiplied as we know, this plus this, and then after we will add or subtract. Before adding or subtracting, we will see whether the order is same. You can see order of each matrices is 2 cross 2. Then we can add this equal to 18 plus m 0 minus 9 plus 0 and this. And now comparing both sides. Once we are comparing two matrices, we can check our calculation by this way. See here, This is first row, second element, first row, second element, 0, 0. Both the elements are same. See here, this is -9, second row, first element, and second row, first element, -9. Both the elements are same. And these two elements are having the elements in the form of m. Okay? And since these two are same, and this is of order 2 cross 2, 2 cross 2, if the matrices of order same, then only we can compare both the matrices. Okay, this is what we call equality of matrices. And then comparing this, 4 is equal to 18 plus m is equal to -14. You can check your answer. 49 is equal to 63 plus m, then m is equal to -14. This is your answer. Now second method mark will be given here after scalar multiplication and then writing this way. And then third is the answer mark. This way, this is the question. Now next question. Given matrix A is 4 sin 30 cos 0 4 sin 30 and B is equal to 4 5. Then if AX is equal to B, then find the order of matrix X. We know that the order of matrix, how we are representing, that is, we are given AX is equal to B. First of all, we will write this sin 30 1 upon 2 cos 0 1, and then the matrix A is changed into this, and you can see this is of order 2 cross 2 because 2 rows and 2 columns. And we know here that matrix B 2 rows and 1 column, that is 2 cross 1, and we are given AX is equal to B. How can we write order of this matrix, this unknown matrix? Here 2 cross 2 is the order of A, 2 cross 1 is the order of B, and then we know that we are able to multiply any matrix to another matrix if number of column in this will be same as number of rows in this. And you can see number of column is 2, then number of row will be 2. In the same way, after multiplication, this value, that is number of row of first and number of column will be of second, will be of the order of the answer. And this way 2 cross 1, and this will be 2 cross 1 this way, because this is 2 cross 1. 2 is this one and 1 is this one. And so the order of matrix X is 2 cross 1. Okay. After finding order of the matrix, find the matrix X. 2 cross 1. We assume the elements of capital X in such a way that this should be 2 cross 1. Let this is X and Y, small x and X small y. Then after writing this, we will multiply first row, first column, corresponding elements multiplied and added, that is 2x plus y, and this is x plus 2y is equal to 4 5. And then comparing both sides, we can compare, because this is of order 2 cross 1, this is of order 2 cross 1, so 2x plus y, though this is written 2x plus y, but this will be taken as single element as 2x plus y, and then 2x plus y is equal to 4 and x plus 2y is equal to 5. After solving these two simultaneous linear equation, we are getting x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Then represent this in this form. This is very important step. You are asked find the matrix X. Suppose if you are leaving your answer up to this, then you will not be given answer mark. Okay. Now as far as marking scheme, finding the order of the matrix, this is independent marks B1, and then if you are able to multiply the two matrices using matrix multiplication, this method mark will be given M1. And if you have written answer correctly in matrix form, then only answer mark will be given. If you are leaving here, then this mark will be deducted. And so many students are doing this mistake. They are not writing the answer in correct form, that is in matrix form. And this way, this is all about this question. Now next question. Every year students are getting 2 questions from matrices. These 2 questions asked last year in board examination. Okay. Now given the matrix A is x 3y3, if A square is equal to 3i, where I is the identity matrix of order 2, then find the value of x and y. You are given here A square is equal to 3y. Substituting here the value of A, 3i, then multiplying first row, first column, corresponding elements multiplying and added, that is x square plus 3y, 3x plus 9, xy plus 3y, and then 3y plus 9, and then is equal to scalar multiplication 3003. Then after multiplication, equating this, 3x plus 9 is equal to 0, 3y plus 9 is equal to 3. Then we are getting the value of x and y. Okay. Now with the help of this, how can we got the marking scheme this year? If this multiplication is correct, okay, left hand side is correctly multiplied, that is A square correctly multiplied, then M1 first method mark was given this year. And second method mark, if you are getting this value equated correctly, whether 3x plus 9 is equal to 0 or 3y plus 9 is equal to 3, either this or this correctly equated to left hand side to right hand side, then second method mark was given. And the third, that is if both the answer correct, x is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to minus 2, then answer mark was given. Now this was the second question in this last year. A was given, B was given, find A square minus 2AB plus B square. Okay, writing this expression and writing A 2 times and then minus 2AB in plus B square. After multiplication, first row, first column, corresponding elements multiplied and added. In the same way, first row, second column, second row, first column, and second row, second column. After multiplication, we are getting 9, 0 and 21. And here, after multiplying and then scalar multiplication of these two, then we are getting minus 24, 12 and minus 38, 20. And this one after multiplication we are getting 18 minus 8 and minus 4, 2. The same way we multiply and then the answer. Now how the marking scheme was decided this year, once the child has multiplied this correctly, means you multiplied this correctly, A square and then 9, 0, 20 and 1. Though few relaxation, but you should multiply correctly. Okay. And then the first method mark was decided. And the second method mark, if all these four after multiplication 18 minus 8 minus 4, 2 was correct, then second method mark. And then the last answer mark was on the final answer if all these four entries correct. This way your marking scheme was decided. And now this way we studied all types of questions from this important chapter matrices, and which covered the entire syllabus of ICSE Maths class 10. With marking scheme also we discuss, and this will be very much beneficial for you in the board examination for not losing any steps, so that you will be able to get full marks in maths. This is all about matrices. Now for getting more and more upcoming videos, you please subscribe my channel. Thank you.